Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive, stock number Z6747A. 68,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, ruby red in color. Escape seats 5, cloth interior. Rear seats recline as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This SE has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Bluetooth connectivity.
Sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
For hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. There's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Escape has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 178 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6747A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.